You've seen our chief mentor, Pawan giving his insights in our webinars and videos, and you've wondered, how can I get his expertise and recommendations for my profile? Well, good news, you can. Welcome to our one-on-one mentorship program, tailor-made to fit your needs, included in all of our plans. We recognize the value of your time, so we've provided adaptable scheduling options, even accommodating evenings and weekends. Pawan has worked directly with many program directors, program recruiters, and has helped hundreds of students like you find a successful match. Whether it's your year of graduation, step scores, red flags, or gaps in your timeline, we'll go through every detail of your profile together. Together, you'll create a personalized monthly plan tailored to your strengths and goals. He'll help you choose the best rotations and research based on your profile. He'll answer your burning questions and address things like whether step 3 is the right option for you. Unclear on how to approach your personal statement and CV? We've got you covered. During your one-on-one mentorship meetings, Pawan will answer your specific questions and give you insights on how to make your application shine. In addition, you'll get to meet with a physician to discuss your personal statement and ERAS CV. Feeling torn about whether to apply this year or wait? Let's weigh the options together and make the best decision for your future. Worried about interviews? We're here for that too. After evaluating your skills, Pawan will give specific recommendations to help you stand out from the crowd. Many of our match plans also include interview preparation classes, where you get to practice answering real interview questions to gain the confidence you need going into interviews. Our mission is to boost your confidence as you navigate the match journey. You'll walk away knowing exactly what to expect and how to excel. So, if you're ready to take charge of your match journey, gain clarity, and step into those interviews with confidence, it's time to join our match plans today. Contact us to schedule your personalized meeting to discuss your match journey. Your future in medicine is bright, and we're here to light the way.